Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to create HSBC online account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with and on the search URL, type in hsbc.com. Once you press enter, that will land you on the official page of HSBC. Now, in order to sign up, first of all click on online banking that you will see at the upper right side of this interface. And on this interface, you have to select the type of banking account that you want to open. If you want to go with personal banking, go with that, or else you can select if you click on this arrow from here, and from there you can select business banking, corporate and institutional banking, or private banking. Select the one that you would like. Here I will go with personal, and under that you have to select a type location. Here select your location, and after that click on go. Now on the next page you will see this interface. Now in order to create an account from there, click on this registered option that you will see between log on and English button at the upper side of this interface. Now for the first step, you have to read all these terms and conditions. Once you go through all the terms and conditions, click on I accept the disclosure. From here click on the checkbox, and under that again I accept the terms and condition, then click on continue. And on the second step, you have to enter your details such as your social security number, which must be 9 characters and only numbers are allowed, and under that enter your HSBC account number, which must be valid. And just above that, on this verification method, you can either verify using your social security number, an HSBC account number or one-time code, or else you can also see social security number, HSBC card and PIN, or else electronic banking number. So select the one that you will like, and after that click on this continue from the bottom, and on the third page you will be land on this login page where you have to enter all your login details such as your ID or password. And once you're done, again click on continue, and on the fourth step you have to enter your security code for the security of your account. And once you're done, the next page you have to choose your security device, and after that you have to confirm, and after the confirmation you will have HSBC online account. So that's how you can create HSBC online account. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.